feel like half the students preparing for NID don't even fully know what NID actually is. They just hear best design college and starts preparing for it blindly. This video is basically for those who knows nothing about NID, like genuinely zero. So first of all, NID stands for National Institute of Design, and it's one of the most respected design colleges in India. People mostly know it for communication design, film, animation, product design, UI UX, fashion communication, and a lot more creative fields. And if you're someone who likes creativity more than rat race learning, this place can be your dream place. Now the first thing that people ask, who can give NID? So basically everyone who has passed their 12th standard from any stream, like science, commerce, arts, any stream, you just need to pass your 12th board. So if someone told you कि design सिर्फ art students के लिए होती है, that's completely false. Now coming to the actual exam, NID entrance exam is called DAT, Design Aptitude Test, and it usually happens in two stages. DAT prelims and DAT mains. Prelims is basically the filtering round. Mains is more practical, creative round. And honestly, NID is one of the most unpredictable exams out there. Like genuinely, इस साल तो पूरा aptitude ही गायब कर दिया था. Paper looked heavily drawing focused and people were shocked क्योंकि इस साल से पहले ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ था. NID changes things very randomly sometimes. And usually in prelims, you can expect questions like observation questions, visual logic, storytelling, creative thinking, doodling, problem solving, drawing, perspective, composition, sometimes GK based design awareness, and sometimes completely weird questions. And that's the scary part, honestly. If you clear this stage, then comes DAT mains, which is a whole different thing. It has studio test, hands-on task, model making, material handling, interviews, and sometimes situation based tasks. It changes every year. Also, one important thing, NID doesn't even define a super fixed syllabus properly, which is why everybody depends so much on past year papers. लेकिन इस बार तो उन्होंने वो भी चेंज कर दिया. That's why preparing for NID is very tricky. They do not want perfect answers. They need your thinking process. Also, please don't think that only amazing artists can crack NID. Yes, drawing helps, but only up to a limit. There were people with me who drew really well, but they didn't score so much. Because observation and thinking is as much important as drawing clearly. Your ideas should be great and it should be clearly understandable by the other person. And for this, you need observation, speed, creativity, visualization, and most important, adaptability. Because NID कभी भी कुछ भी change कर सकता है. Also, there are students who are confused about NID, NIFT, UCEED, JEE, ARC, NATA. They all are different exams, different vibes, very different pattern. I'll make separate videos for all of those. Most students initially feel very lost because design entrance are very different from normal entrance exams. But once you understand the pattern, things start making more sense. And if you have any doubt about NID, literally anything, just drop a comment. I will genuinely try my best to help, because I know how confusing it feels in the beginning. I will make a video about NIFT and UCEED also. Till then, bye bye.